Who? I'm just not one of those guys. Alright, can we grab this thing here? I know I did last game. Because it took me forever to get to it. Well, now I can't even reach it, though. Can't even come close to it. Yep, it can't even come close to this thing here. I can't get... Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Okay, I grabbed it again. And we'll go put it in the water again. I know I'm not going to get bark for it. That's not why I'm doing it. We just got to remember tomorrow we got to take the pallets out of the dryer. Start stacking them up here. Or we could just go ahead and sell them all right away. Man, we could do that. Tomorrow could be our sell day. Whatever we have by tomorrow, we'll sell. So we only have just this little bit of logs to pick up. Alright. I'm going to miss Mr. Putt-Putt here, but we got to move on here. We got to be able to carry more, do more, and do it more efficient. Do it faster. Too bad we can't take some of the money back that we already gave the uncle. We'd have enough to buy all the new stuff that's for sale. But it's alright. Have to remember to get gas, I think, too, on the way back. We're still good, but I don't want to run out. Be a never good thing calling the uncle. Hey, uncle. Hey, yeah, can you drive me a can of fuel here? I kind of ran out. Sure, where you at? Oh, I'm right next door to your house. Alright. These oak logs are huge. Yeah, that's not gonna work, right? Okay. Alright, so I see that the Discord is going very well, Gargoyle, so that's always good. You seem to be popular. Everyone's wanting to join you and talk. Come on. You don't want a place down there? Fine. Can we move this log? If I move this log, maybe. Okay. But I know he's busy making dinner right now, so it's probably going to be hard for him to respond. Really? Come on. Give me a log on there. Are you going to stay there? Really? Oh, wow. You're actually staying there. Okay. Just got to find another spot here so we can grab all of them. I don't want to come back for one log. See, this is why exactly we want that bigger trailer. Okay, let's see if we can grab this other one. See if it's a little smaller. See if we can put this one on the trailer somewhere. It's not letting us put it anywhere. We're gonna have to come back and pick up one lousy log. That stinks. Alright, well, you know what it's gonna force us to do. It's gonna force us to cut down some more trees over here. It's just that oak. That oak is huge. That oak took up a lot of space on the trailer. That oak should give you like bonus points or something, bonus bark, bonus lumber, all that good stuff. But as of right now, it doesn't. I'd like to cut all our birches down on the uncle's farm here. I don't think he'd be too mad about it, would he? It's a nice small tree. Okay, we're gonna cut through the house here. We might as well fill up here. Sorry I had microwave on so Wi-Fi mobile cut out, but I heard something about living room about cooking and not responding. Oh, no, I just wanted to congratulate you on your Discord. That's what I was talking about, and that you're a pretty popular man right now on the Discord. Oh, why don't I have no fuel, really? Wow. I have no fuel. I swear I purchased fuel. So we gotta go down to the fuel mark and go get some fuel. We'll hop in the truck to do that in here. But, oh, hopefully everyone's having a good day today, though. Our wood will be ready to be coming out of the dryers. At least half of our wood to be ready to come out the dryers tomorrow. So we start selling our stuff tomorrow. We're going to sell all the bark that we can, all the chipboard that we can, and all the dry planks that we have. So hopefully we'll make a little bit of money here. Oh, thanks. Was surprised that more than I was streaming. Oh yeah, no, it's awesome, man. It is awesome. You got to get the peeps from Toplitz in there to join you too, right? Need to set up permission and bots, but I want to have it done by mid-June. Oh, okay, you got time then. I mean, it's something new and fancy, and then it'll just turn into a normal Discord, I think. So I'll have to figure out how to do all that, and maybe I'll set mine up. Wait, why does it say we have 90? I had over 100 planks. Did I not load the right save game up? Maybe that's the issue. Maybe I did not load the right save game up. So I'm doing twice as much work, maybe. I don't know. Let's go put the tractor in position, grab that one last log, run over down to the fuel station, buy some fuel for home. That way we can fill up whenever we need to. That'll always be good. It's always nice to have fuel at home. We'll cut down another tree too. Maybe 2 more. All depends on how much we can get into the trailer here. One lousy fish. Okay. What's a good tree that we're going to cut down? This one? Alright. It's all good. We'll just cut down anything and everything. We want the wood. Want all the stuff. Give me all the stuffing. Alrighty. Come on, come on, come on. I think 3 trees ought to be good. I think anyways, 3 trees ought to be good. Okay. Alright, branches time now. Too bad we can't do anything with all the lumber that we're cutting with the branches. You know, I have to be able to use it for something. I don't know what, but some of the branches got to be at least decent size, so you know, sell them for kindling for all I care, or grind it all up into sawdust, or you know, use it for the OSB, the chipboard, and all that. I don't care. Gotta have something to do. We didn't check our greenhouse either. We should have checked that today. We still got time though. We got more stuff to do. Where's my other tree that fell down? There it is. Alright. Okay, hopefully we can reach the next one here. Nope. So we gotta break the log. Come on, get in the right spot. There we go. There we go. How come we're the only lumberjack on this town, but we're also the only one that doesn't wear PPE? You see everyone else with headphones and the earmuffs and all that, but and safety glasses, but you never see us wearing any of that stuff. And I'm gonna be too tired. Yep. So that's fine. We gotta go get the gas anyway. So I know I left the truck over here somewhere. All right, let's go get some fuel. Alright, I don't know if this is the closest fuel or not, but I know it's here. It's right across the bridge. So we'll buy some and have it at the home. Excuse me. Alright. Oh, sorry. Sorry, car. That's my fault. That's my fault. It's too busy looking elsewhere. Just completely ran right into you. I don't have insurance, as you can see from the jalopy I drive. And I'm just running into everything right now. Alright, we are buying 1,000 gallons for home. See, it does say I have fuel in stock, but why did it not let me put fuel in my car. And that took a lot of our money away. Okay, that's gonna hurt us. So we got to get like $100,000 here today. I don't know how possible that is going to be here. We do have quite a bit of stuff, though, stocked up at the mill. We've been dumping a lot of logs, so we are going to have stuff that we can sell. We should have lots of bark, lots of the chipboards. We'll have 2 loads of the dry pallets, so, but doing the math in my head, we're going to need a lot. All right, where's my tractor at? I mean, we still will have all the dailies tomorrow, though, too. So that'll be something else that we can get a little bit of money on. Won't be much, but we'll get a little bit. Oh, come on. This is another reason why we want the bigger tractor here, so we can start driving in this little bit worse terrain here. Okay, and that shifted on me, so we got to move this. Come on. Drive it a little bit better than what we are doing anyways. I mean, it doesn't help that I'm a terrible driver, though. Well, you... Okay. Are you gonna... Okay. You actually worked. You started to dance, but then you stopped. Come on. Get in there. Really? You're not going to drop it all? What the heck? You won't even drop when you're off the trailer. Why won't you drop it all? Okay, now you'll drop. Okay, maybe was I just in the wrong location? I was in a no drop zone? I was in an unloading zone, not a load zone? I'm sorry, I missed the color of the line. The red zone is for loading. The white zone is for unloading. Correction. The red zone is for unloading. The white zone is for loading. Love that movie. Surely you can't be serious. I am serious, and don't call me Shirley. You just don't want to go here, do you? Is it because we're in a... Yep. It's all because we're not even ground here. Alright. Oh, come on. Stop. Tractor, stop. Stop. Where's the e-brake? Need the e-brake. Grab as much stuff as this as we can. Oh, that did not hold on. And now we can't re-grab it. So let's go grab it again. Alright. We're having a hard time driving through this terrain. I don't know why. It just wants us to get stuck. Whoa. Yep, it does not liking something here. So we're gonna try to get back to the, get back here. All right, there we go. Come on, come on. Make it back, make it back. Yep. It's like riding a Bronco here. Woo. You know, actually, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna save it. Because that sounds like a good thing to do right now. And see if we can make it back here without the game going completely haywire on us. I know it's not liking one of these logs, and I don't know which one it is. But we're riding it, we're riding it. Get along, little doggy, get along. Alright. Saving is good, yes, exactly. I say it to everybody, you know, I gotta do it too, right? Save early, save often, you know? Al Lowe taught me well. Or Roberta Williams, or Ken Williams, or whoever you want to add in that area. Woo! Come on, we're almost there. Just get to the landing spot. I was hoping to get all these logs in the water tonight. Therefore, when we wake up, hopefully, the mill will all be ran through. Whoa! Oh, come on, we almost got there. Come on. Woohoo! We made it. The game didn't die. Yep, there had been a funny log on here somewhere. We don't even have that many logs on here. By no means do we have a lot of logs on here. All right, early access at its best right there. All right, let's see if we can actually get gas this time. Last time it would not let me refill. It let me wash it, but not refill. Watch out, there's a truck there. Sorry, somebody just put it there. I don't know who. Okay, 97 in there now. Yeah, I'm wondering if I loaded up the wrong save file. Which is alright. Dude, watch out, man. Okay. Yeah, now it's gonna let me refuel. Alright. Alright, so let me refuel. I wonder why it never says 100%. I mean, we're getting ripped off of that 1% the whole time. Toplitz has been keeping our 1% every single time. I want my extra 1% of fuel. They're skimming off the top, I know they are. Alright, there we go. Oh, no. It's not liking this whole area at all. We have another tree that's cut down over there that we never trimmed up either. I don't remember when we cut that one down. It wasn't today, that's I know that much. Oh, we hit the Q button, not the E button. There we go. Alright, let's see how easy it is going to be to grab these suckers here. We know we're tired, so picking them up is not an option right now. Come on, stop. Come on. Really? Okay, there we go. Come on, game, you gotta help me out here. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Right on the hill, right on. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, can we grab anything? Yes, okay, we can grab this one. Yep, I don't think we're gonna be able to lay this sucker flat anytime soon here. That's the problem here. We gotta lay them down on a flat surface. And there's nothing about this area that's flat. Come on, get to the claw. Get to the claw. The claw is your friend. Alright, I want to say there's another one over top of the hill here. But I could be wrong. We might have grabbed both of them. Nope, I see it. I see it. Stop. Can we get it? Can we get it? I don't know if it's going to let me get it or not. Let's see if we can get this one. This one looks smaller. Is it going to let me grab it? It's not going to let me grab it. Come on. Come on, game. Nope. I got to get on flat ground again.